Hi, this is Carla from Carla's glutenfreerecipebox.com. You know that gel that you buy for strawberries in the stores and has like a red dye number 40, which is not good for you? Well, this is something I just made up today. And what I used was in a cold saucepan, I took 4 tablespoons for sweet juices or 6 tablespoons for tart juices like cherry or pomegranate. So this is pomegranate. So I took 6 tablespoons of sugar, whisked it together with a tablespoon of arrowroot. You can also use cornstarch if you want, but I really like the clarity of arrowroot. And whisk that together and pour the juice in, then put it over the stove, bring it to a boil. When it boils, it's thick already, and as it cools, it gets thicker. This is still warm. It's been sitting here for about 5 minutes, and it'll get a little thicker. So you can even use it for, instead of just glazing fruit like on tarts or in strawberries that you use on the top of cakes and with fillings, you can actually use it as a filling. So I just love using this for a lot of different desserts, and I hope you appreciate the recipe. Check out more recipes at glutenfreerecipebox.com, free and membership only.